Hey, Dr. Tom Chillen here in my new office at our my wife and I's new dream home. Wanted to give you another sneak peek inside the Meaningful Chiropractor book, and very specifically, I want to talk to you about the effective onboarding chapter. Absolutely the key to helping people understand the value of the care that you provide is to be able to communicate the concepts, the principles, and the value add to the prospective new practice member, new client, during that. So if you're not doing effective onboarding, so it's not, everybody has an onboarding process, but how effective is it? This chapter actually gives you the mindset behind effective onboarding and the 4-step proprietary process that I've used very successful in my own practice, as well as the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of our colleagues everybody that's I've taught this to and have embraced it, love it, and continue to use it. So look forward to getting into that chapter.